When you open the hood of a '59 or 1960 Corvette, this rubber seal is mounted to the underside of the hood close to the front. The somewhat C-shaped profile has the opening of the C facing the rear. Theoretically, it improves cooling by preventing air from escaping over the top of the radiator. In 1988, several customers sent us their original seals to assist our development of this reproduction. Some were better than others. One was in near perfect shape. They all had several surface features in common. The 9 raised ridge on one flat surface adjacent to another flat surface bearing 11 raised ridges. These ridges provide 2 areas with additional surface area where the adhesive is applied. GM calls this Weatherstrip adhesive a cement, and it was the same as used to mount the hood weather strip and other weather strips. This photo shows how our extrusion die produces 2 pieces at the same time. We can then separate them into 2 identical seals. Just kidding. These next photos compare our reproduction with the original GM manufactured seals. Ours are beautiful, faithful reproductions made in the USA, as are every rubber item we reproduce. No smelly foreign rubber sold here. Not in my store. When purchasing rubber parts, use the sniff test. Foreign rubber literally stinks and has added cheap fillers that only cheapen the product and shorten its life. These next 2 photos are other vendors' reproductions of this same GM part. Notice how their parts are coiled up in these photos. In order to coil up our repro, I had to use a piece of clear tape to hold it in place. Notice the difference in the seal's upper edge in both of these repros. Coiling our seal is not easy due to its C-shaped cross-section and higher diameter. You can see how our seal springs back to its linear shape after it is coiled. No doubt our repro has a higher diameter as well as a defined smooth skin on the surface. If you like these videos, please give us a like and link to them to allow others to discover how we do it and what the alternative repros are on the market.